Zabka and Captain Patrick Tyson Mason from the 69th Expeditionary Bomb Squadron, operating out of Anderson Air Force Base, Guam, on a 16-hour round-trip flight. Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the men and women of the U.S. Indo-Pacific Command, we want to thank you. To the end of the flying display program for this afternoon at the Singapore Airshow 2020. We really hope you've enjoyed today's show. Let's hear it one more time for all the pilots and their teams who have been part of the flying display here at the Singapore Airshow. We hope you